we're going to be looking at nominal and effective interest rates. So a nominal interest rate is an annual interest rate for a loan or investment. The effective interest rate is the interest earned or charged by an investment or loan, written as a percentage of the amount invested or borrowed. So as you can see with the formula below, you can work out the effective annual interest rate, where R is the nominal interest rate per annum, R subscript E is the effective annual interest rate per annum, and N is the number of times the interest compounds each year. So in the first question, we are going to be doing the following. An investment account will pay interest at a rate of 4.65% per annum, and we're going to convert this interest rate to the following: monthly rate, fortnightly rate, and quarterly rate. So what we're going to do is simply go R equals the interest rate divided by how many times is that being compounded per year. So because there are 12 months in a year, we do 4.65 divided by 12. Therefore we get 0.3875% per month. We're going to do the same for fortnightly rate. So there's 26 fortnights in a year. Therefore we get 0.1788%. For quarterly rate, there are 4 quarters in a year. So we go 4.65 divided by 4, and therefore we get 1.1625%. Question 2. Eli would like to borrow $50,000. She's deciding between 2 loan options. Option 1, 6.15% per annum compounding quarterly. Option 2, 5.75% per annum compounding weekly. Calculate the effective interest rate for each investment. So, option 1, we're going to substitute our known values into that equation. So the effective interest rate equals, in brackets 1, add 6.15 divided by 4, divided by 100 to the power of 4, subtract 1, and then you multiply by 100. Notice in the black text, that's where you are substituting known values, where 4 is the number of times we're compounding per year, and 6.15 is the nominal interest rate. We end up getting 6.29%. Let's do option 2. Again, we're substituting our known values. There are 52 weeks in a year, so that's our compounding value, and our interest rate is 5.75%. On the class pad, we end up getting 5.92%. Which option is the best and why? Well, in this case, what we're looking for is the lowest effective interest rate. The reason being is because we are borrowing. So Eli is borrowing money, therefore option 2 is the best, as it has the lowest effective interest rate. Okay, question 3. Jess has $15,600 to invest. She chooses an account that will earn interest at a rate of 4.35% per annum, compounding monthly. Use a CAS calculator to find the effective interest rate for this investment, corrected to decimal places. Well, when we talk about CAS calculators, you can use what's known as the class pad. And these are the steps that we are going to be using with our class pad. So let's get the class pad up. Okay, the first step, as you can see there, is we go to the main screen. This is the main screen. Then we go to Action, Financial, Interest Conversion, and we look at that top one there. That's the effective interest rate. Okay, so that's what we have to do there. Now, you just have to remember, how do we use this function? We put in the compounding period first. Okay, so in this case it's monthly, so we go 12, comma, and the nominal interest rate, which was 4.35. Okay, execute, And we end up getting the 2 decimal places 4.4. Now with the 3, the next digit after the 3 is 5 or more, so therefore we have to round up. So we end up getting 4.44%. Now, the question is, could we have just done that with the previous solutions? So you see in question 2a, we had option 1. Let's have a go here. Let's change the 12 to 4 for quarterly. And the interest rate there, I'll just move it to see it, is 6.15%. And as you can see, execute, we get 6.29. Let's do the same for option 2. 52 for 52 weeks in a year. Change our percentage rate to 5.75 and execute, and we get 5.92, and it's 5.92 because the next digit after the 1 is the 5. So 5 or more, we have to round up. So therefore the effective interest rate in this case is 4.44%.